Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin on a duplicated layer so you can always compare. This preserves the original. Open Camera Raw Filter or add a curves adjustment. Adjust exposure and white balance first, because accurate luminance and neutral tint make skin tones predictable. Use the targeted adjustment tool to sample midtones. Move the curve slightly up or down to correct brightness. Once done, create a separate layer for local fixes. Make sure to save frequently so you don't lose subtle shifts. Next, refine by isolating areas. Use selective color or hue/saturation adjustment layers to nudge reds, yellows, and magentas. This tackles sallow or overly pink skin. Create clean masks and paint with a soft, low-opacity brush so corrections blend seamlessly. That way you're changing color, not texture. For stubborn unevenness, set up frequency separation. Work on low frequency for color and high frequency for texture. This preserves pores while correcting tone. Transition smoothly between corrections to avoid patchiness. For the finish, apply a subtle color lookup or photo filter to unify the image. Reduce opacity until it feels natural. Use dodge and burn on a 50% gray layer at low opacity to sculpt cheek highlights and jaw shadows. This adds dimension without altering color. Finally, flatten copies and inspect at 100% for banding or clipping. If you see artifacts, switch to 16-bit, reduce saturation, or revert to the duplicated original and reapply gentler adjustments. If problems persist, undo selectively and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.